ElecGear launched several Hall and TMR joystick kits for different controllers. There are 3 models associated with Xbox controllers. X1797 is for the Xbox Elite Series 2, and X1914 is for Series S and X. They come with no calibration FPCB. They are calibrated with Xbox Accessories app. Please note, the app is not perfect. It malfunctions sometimes. The 3rd model is for other Xbox One controllers. It comes with ElecGear Xbox Calibration FPCB. The video applies to X1797 and X1914. In this video, we'll demonstrate you how to use the desoldering kit, solder and calibrate the new joystick. See what's in the box. Different models come with different TMR sticks. This is the TMR joystick for X Elite 2. Please note, the parameter for the left and right sticks is slightly different. L or R was labeled on the metal. This is the stick for X Series S and X1914 model. Simple PCB holder solution included. Wrap the PCB edge and carefully insert the clamps. Be careful, do not knock off small parts on the board. The CSE'd copper plate. Attach the Teflon handle onto the plate. High temperature resistant Teflon pad protects your desktop. Soldering flux tube. Multi-strand wire performs better than typical desoldering wick. Solid Teflon wire. Its diameter is 1 mm. It helps with cleaning the via, and also used as a hole gauge. Screw the tube onto the copper plate. Curve the tube for easy handle. Prepare the high-temp Teflon pad. Plastic clamps for 1.0 mm PCB. We demo the desoldering operation with Xbox kit. Do not knock off small parts and not be close to the hot stick when inserting the clamps. Rest the heating plate on the pad. By the way, this delicate solder reel dispenser was also designed by Tony the designer. Resolder all the 14 soldering joints with low-temp solder. Make the joints a little bigger and add some flux on all the joints. The soldering iron should be more than 60 watt with a big tip. Set the temp at 330 to 370 degrees. Apply some solder and begin to heat it up. Hold the tube and keep heating the copper plate. Lift the plate and place it on for several times to heat up the stick. Move the hot plate around to make all 14 prongs are well heated. Try to pull off the joystick little by little. Next step is to remove the solder. Apply flux on the joints. Remove the solder with the multi-gauge strand wire instead of typical solder wick. It performs better. You may need to add some solder and flux on the pad. The typical solder wick also works. Clean the PCB with PCB liquid or pure alcohol. Please note again, the one with long leads and labeled with L is the left, and short leads with R is for right. Insert the stick and make sure it is aligned with the PCB. First, solder the 4 biggest prongs diagonally. Solder other 10 prongs. Assemble all the boards and parts together. Download and run the Xbox Accessories app. Check and upgrade the firmware. Choose left or right stick and follow the steps. Open the Gamepad Tester webpage. It works quite good. However, the range in the north suddenly enlarged a lot. Unplug the USB cable. The problem continues. Unplug the USB cable and press down the X button for 15 seconds to totally power off the controller. Now, the west pole was enlarged. After multiple power off and on, the controller gradually sampled the parameter of the new stick. The current version of Xbox accessories calibration is not perfect. Fortunately, the curve works good in the end. Please keep your eye on the next update from Microsoft.